Hi, I'm Tony from RAR UK Automation, and today we're going to take a look at one of the key products that supports our core range of universal robots. As many of you know, when it comes to moving components autonomously, one of the key factors is getting the orientation and the location of that component correct. Otherwise, you're only solving half the problem. A highly effective and simple way of doing this is to use FlexiBowl. So, what is FlexiBowl and why is it one of RAR UK's most popular products? Well, if you've got a requirement to move a component from one destination to another, you simply fill the hopper on the FlexiBowl and allow the FlexiBowl and the Universal Robot E-Series to do the rest. So it's as simple as this. You load the components into the hopper, drop them onto the FlexiBowl surface, which will then bounce, agitate or flip them, and then the vision system will direct the Universal Robot's E-Series accurately to the part so it can then be moved to its final destination. There are 6 models in the FlexiBowl range, going from 200 to 1200mm surface diameter, and the component sizes can be between 1 to 300mm and again 1 to 300 grams in weight. With a backlight under the disc system or a top light combined with a FlexiVision camera, the process is simple and fast. And the FlexiBowl communicates with the robot either with the FlexiVision software system or with a UR cap, depending on your setup requirement. FlexiBowl offers different disc surfaces to accommodate different component types, so they can be smooth to sticky or flat to spiked. And there's even custom discs available, for example for screws, so the screws can hang upright and be picked in their uppermost position from the head. Fine tuning happens using the fully supported software, meaning that there are almost limitless capabilities within the defined size and weight parameters. But of course, the best way to ensure components are compatible is to send them here to our tech centre, and we'll put them through our feasibility testing programme. Okay, so that's it for FlexiBowl at the moment. If you'd like to see some more videos of it in action, have a look through to our YouTube channel and there's plenty on there. Or of course, please get in touch with one of the team and we'll gladly help where we can.